Thutha wa gutungatira muingi wa Thika arita munini wa mea na Kanjura kwa ihinda rĩa miaka 47, Ali Muhammad ni arahurukire muthenya wa ira thutha wa ndwari ya ihinda. Muhammad na uroikaine na ritwa ringita Al-Kabati arari muthiriti wa hakuhe wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta thutha wa gutugwo na ngerenwa ya utongoria mwega mwaka muthiru. Kuringana na mware ithe arahurukire muthenya wa ira kiroko ari nyumba-ini yake ya mahoya.
Msharaka nasomeshanga kwa yatima mpaka dakika yake ya mwisho na peana tu.
Akiaria mathiko-ini make kaburi-ini cia Thika, Minister wa Iganda Adan Mohammed ni augite Mohammed arari muthuri mutiku urendetio thi wa na mbere wa bũrũri o ndumwe na waikari a Thika.
So he's left a significant mark, and that can be demonstrated by the friends that he has been able to build over time. And as I said, we hope that other leaders who will come would follow his footsteps to build bridges and really create a harmonious relationship with all the people of Thika and in the environment.
Mwenaini wake mũmbunge wa Thika Patrick Wainaina ni gwite ati ni moritwo ni mundu wa bata na mundu urendetio theru. Giribotira Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.